My Halloween season officially starts as soon as the stores start getting Halloween decorations in, which is usually the end of August, beginning of September. So I always go Halloween shopping for decorations way early. Then in October, I go and visit some haunts, whether they're official or pretend. Visit haunted restaurants, go on ghost tours, and go to many, many haunted houses, as many as I can fit in. We also find other spooky activities, my friends and family. We go to escape rooms. We usually have game nights centered around some kind of Halloween theme. We always find shows and movies to watch. Of course, pumpkin carving and painting is always a must, and come up with other fun fantasy activities for the season. And usually we end it with a big Halloween party. Lots of costumes, games, and lots of company. But any opportunity to dress up is for us, which makes Halloween our favorite holiday. We dress up every chance we get. Thanks for considering me.